Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open Clipchamp and make a new project with the aspect ratio you need, 16:9 for most platforms. Import the video or image right away, drag it to the timeline, and pause on the precise frame you want. Once done, set the canvas resolution to 1280 x 720 and turn on safe margins so your title and logo won't get cut off. Make sure the frame is sharp. If it isn't, step back 1 or 2 frames to find a crisper moment. Now design the thumbnail. Add a bold headline using a high-contrast, readable font so it reads on small screens, and keep the wording short. Then layer photos, face close-ups, or cutouts and use shadows or outlines to separate elements. Make sure you group or lock layers and align with the safe area. Once done, apply subtle color grading and a touch of sharpening. Preview at actual thumbnail size to confirm legibility. If something looks off, tweak saturation and contrast until everything pops. Finish by exporting a high-quality still. Either capture a snapshot of the canvas or export a frame at 1280 x 720 and save as PNG or a high-quality JPG. Name the file clearly and preview it on mobile and desktop so you see how the title reads at different sizes. If your image looks soft, re-export using the original resolution. Do not upscale. Check the export quality slider, and reapply a small amount of sharpening. One quick tip: if text clips, reduce font size or move it inside the safe margin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.